Hi guys, welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about the difference between pass by value and pass by reference.
Hi guys, let us learn about pass by value and pass by reference. Hope you are enjoying our videos and learning data structures in animated way. Let us discuss pass by value. After watching this, I guarantee that you can understand this concept completely. So let us write a simple program of addition. First, let us discuss pass by value. Here we have included the header file and here the function declaration. So the name of the function is add and the return type is int, and the argument is an integer whose name is x. Here we have a main function in which we called the function. We also had the called function code here. Let's start thinking like a compiler and figure out why this is called as pass by value. Observe here we have the main function, and in which we defined a variable of integer data type and initialized its value to 10. Now we have called the function and assigned it to data. So let us go to the called function here. In the called function we have an argument integer x, which is the copy of data. Here it is called as data in the main function. The same is called as x here, which is the copy of data. So this is the reason why we call it pass by value. Now when add function is called, a new variable x is made in add function, so which represents data variable in main function and also which is passed as argument. So I named it x, you can name it anything you want. So in pass by value, a copy is made of variable. Here x acts as copy of data as I mentioned earlier. Now we have an input variable of integer data type defined in called function. Now we'll ask the user to give an input value. Let us suppose the user enters a value of 20. So integer value x is 10 and input value what was provided by the user is 20. So the value of x is 30 now. So that will be returned to the main function. Since x is the copy of data, we need to send that value in x back to data in the main function. So that will be assigned to the variable data. So now the value of data in main function is changed to 30. Now let us discuss about pass by reference. So we have once again the header file here and we have an add function, but observe why we have ampersand x. Ampersand is called as address operator. So we have the code for main function as well as the called function. Can you find out the differences between the previous code and this code? First, it is not returning anything, so we have a return type of void and we have directly called the function without assigning to anything else, and we have called with respect to its address. We are not returning anything. That's the first point to remember. This is all because of ampersand. Ampersand is called as address operator. If you are familiar with pointers, then you know all about the address operator. Or simply, if you don't know about the pointers, just understand that we can access memory locations with help of ampersand operator. Now let us come to the main function, in which we have a data variable whose value is 10, and in the called function we have an integer x whose value is also 10. So it looks similar to the earlier program, almost the same, but there are some differences. Let us look at the differences here. Here we call with respect to the address. So int ampersand x is a reference variable of data defined in main function. Means x and data are connected. So if there is a change in the value of x, that means the value of data in the main function gets changed. So the value of x is equal to 10 plus 20. So the value of x is 30 in the called function. Automatically the value of data in the main function changes to 30. Therefore, you don't need any return type here or return statements in the called function. Hope you understood this completely. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.